What is your name? What is your name?
My name is Emma. My name is Emma.
How old are you? How old are you?
I am 7 years old. I am 7 years old.
How are you? How are you?
I am happy. I am happy.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live in London. I live in London.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I am from Canada. I am from Canada.
What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is purple. My favorite color is purple.
What is your favorite animal? What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a cat. My favorite animal is a cat.
When is your birthday? When is your birthday?
My birthday is on May 5th. My birthday is on May 5th.
Do you have any brothers or sisters? Do you have any brothers or sisters?
I have one little sister. I have one little sister.
What is your mother's name? What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Sarah. My mother's name is Sarah.
What does your father do? What does your father do?
He is a teacher. He is a teacher.
Do you have a pet? Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a goldfish. Yes, I have a goldfish.
Where's your school bag? Where's your school bag?
It is on the chair. It is on the chair.
What room is this? What room is this?
This is a kitchen. This is a kitchen.
What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food?
I love pizza. I love pizza.
What is your favorite drink? What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is orange juice. My favorite drink is orange juice.
What is your favorite toy? What is your favorite toy?
My favorite toy is my doll. My favorite toy is my doll.
What do you like to do for fun? What do you like to do for fun?
I like to draw. I like to draw.
Do you like broccoli? Do you like broccoli?
No, I do not like it. No, I do not like it.
What fruit do you like? What fruit do you like?
I like strawberries. I like strawberries.
Do you like rainy days? Do you like rainy days?
Yes, because I can jump in puddles. Yes, because I can jump in puddles.
What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
What do you eat for breakfast? What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat cereal and a banana. I eat cereal and a banana.
How do you go to school? How do you go to school?
I go by bus. I go by bus.
What do you do after school? What do you do after school?
I do my homework, then I play. I do my homework, then I play.
What is your favorite subject in school? What is your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject is art. My favorite subject is art.
What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday?
I played with my friend at the park. I played with my friend at the park.
What are you doing now? What are you doing now?
I am talking to you. I am talking to you.
What are you going to do this weekend? What are you going to do this weekend?
I am going to visit my grandma. I am going to visit my grandma.
Can you ride a bike? Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can ride very fast. Yes, I can ride very fast.
Can you swim? Can you swim?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
Can you play the piano? Can you play the piano?
I am learning. I am learning.
What can you do? What can you do?
I can sing, dance, and draw. I can sing, dance, and draw.
Where are your eyes? Where are your eyes?
They are above my nose. They are above my nose.
What do you use to smell a flower? What do you use to smell a flower?
I use my nose. I use my nose.
Can I play with you? Can I play with you?
Yes, come on. Yes, come on.
What is your favorite game? What is your favorite game?
I like hide and seek. I like hide and seek.
Do you want to be friends? Do you want to be friends?
Yes, let us be friends. Yes, let us be friends.
Why are you sad? Why are you sad?
I lost my pencil. I lost my pencil.
Can I have a cookie? Can I have a cookie?
Yes, please take one. Yes, please take one.
What is this? What is this?
That is an apple. That is an apple.
What color is the sky? What color is the sky?
The sky is blue. The sky is blue.
How many fingers do you have? How many fingers do you have?
I have 10 fingers. I have 10 fingers.
What is the opposite of up? What is the opposite of up?
The opposite of up is down. The opposite of up is down.
What does a cow say? What does a cow say?
A cow says moo. A cow says moo.
Where is the cat? Where is the cat?
The cat is under the table. The cat is under the table.
Is this a big car or a small car? Is this a big car or a small car?
It is a big car. It is a big car.
Whose shoes are these? Whose shoes are these?
Those are my shoes. Those are my shoes.
What time is it? What time is it?
It is 3 o'clock. It is 3 o'clock.
Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please?
Yes, of course. Yes, of course.